What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Smack that subscribe button. It really helped the channel to grow. And click on that notification bell so you know when I upload any new video. I'm gonna just jump right into it. Today I'm just doing a quick review as requested on that CB300r, the 2021 model. I've had this bike. September will make it 2 years, and I have no regrets that I purchased this bike. As you guys see, I try my bst to keep it in beautiful working order. Just run through some of the specs on this bike. The weight is about 317 pounds. The wheelbase is 53.3 inches. And of course, you know, the 2021 is the matte pearl blue looking mane. Even though I do like the red and the black, the one that they did come in previous years, the colors that they did come in. And the front is single disc brakes, and the rear is a single disc. Of course, you know it's fuel injected. Yeah, it's a 286 liquid cooled cc. And what I was really requested on by Luis Matos, thank you, to do a video about my height and the seat height and how all that works out for me being a short rider. And I'm gonna just show you guys. Remember, guys, you want to have all your gear all the time. I'm 5'5" and a half. Let's throw that half in there, right? Give me that half, right? The seat height on here is 31.5 inches. My seam height here is about 29, right? And your seam height is from the bottom of your crotch to the bottom of your feet, right? About 29. You see, I get on the bike, both feet can touch the ground, but I'm tippy-toeing. I'm comfortable with one on the ground. Hold the bike up, no problem. I could even hold it tippy-toeing. It's a little more awkward, right? But I definitely could get one foot down comfortably. For you shorter riders here, this is a perfect bike. You know what I'm saying? So it's really no complaints when it comes to that right there. And there you have it, guys. But before we get out of here, I'm gonna go through some of the basics, because that's always good to do when you have some time. And the basics being some figure eights. We just gonna get through. That's always fun to do. You want to do one direction 3 times. This is going to be my 3rd time. And it's always a good thing to do it, because you never know when you're starting to get rusty. Well, sometimes you think you might be nice, and then you try it out and see that, you know, your skills are a little shaky. Your skills could use a little touch-ups. Got the dog look like it's ready to attack. And that's 3, 3, 3. Could even get some circles in there. Turns. And it's always good to come back and try these techniques. Back to the basics. Even set some cones up. I think we'll be doing one of those sooner than later. And there you have it, guys. Hope this video inspired you all a little bit. So until next time, Y'all be good and be safe. Peace.